installation is very easy. You just need to take out from the harness, and then here actually we'll have a hole. Okay, so we just need to pass through over here. Pass through first, and then directly go to the behind there. Okay, so come out from here. Pass through over here first. So everything passed through already. Then, so we need to all done right here. Directly, just lock it. Okay. Once lock it already, just pull it tightly. Okay, there you have it.
Okay, so we look at a more detailed side. Here you need to pull it more tightly. Then the thing go through here. Okay, all the way to here. Then you make a cross, come out from here, then round, click, click. That's all for the Meinkind Nova installation.